If I could describe trials in one word, it's gonna be challenge. Hello, I'm Sondre Haga. I'm from Norway, and now I'm a part of the GASGAS trial team. Well, the GASGAS Factory team is one of the most professional teams in the trials, and to become a part of it now, it's a dream come true, and I'm looking forward to a great years here. I remember I was riding GASGAS when I was 12 years old, my first new bike, so to be back on the GASGAS, it's a dream from when I was young, so I'm super happy. To start riding trial from another country, and especially Norway, is maybe harder, but I think my challenge, as this is already done, so now I'm like trying to be as Spanish as I can. Yeah, for my first time as a full factory rider, and especially here at GASGAS, it will be a new challenge. It will be hard, of course, but I'm really looking forward to working around great people. Having Busto as a teammate is something incredible for me. Obviously, he has a high level, so for me to push after him, it's something great. My biggest achievement so far was winning the World Championship last year, so we will try to do the same again this year. On my free time, I like a lot to go on the bicycles. I love to ride on two wheels, so this is what we love. I started trial riding when I was 8 years old. I had a cousin who was riding, so I was asking my parents always to start. And from that point, we just kept on going all the time. I'm the first one in my family to start, so it has been something new for my whole family. So yeah, I'm a diabetic, and food is something really important for me especially. And when we are training so much as we do, we need to eat a lot. So it's something I prepare and use a lot of time to do in the right way, because it's been a part of my life from when I was so young. So to be able to do trials in this professional level, I'm happy that I can work it out with the diabetic and food and everything, so yeah. At the moment I'm living in Spain, yeah, and we are working here together with all the team. And of course I miss Norway sometimes. I don't miss the weather, and it's maybe one of the benefits by living in Spain. And I'm happy here, but it's good to be back home sometimes with my family and stuff. My expectations of the X-Trial season is quite big. Obviously it's going to be hard to win or be on the podium, but in the last races last year I was 5th and 4th, so my goal should be to be able to fight for the podium.